people like you and I, we aren't usually given those opportunities to invest in an IPO. And so we've really created a cool structure to put something together more uniquely. And we're going to go through that. Let's go to the next slide. And again, I like to do fun stuff that I think is relevant. And I joke with people when I say this in front of a group, people laugh. Before the internet, there was no internet. And again, sometimes people kind of chuckle and they don't understand, but I think it's really relevant. Before the internet, you didn't have a lot of tools. So as an example, there were no websites, right? So within the website, can't start the video, host has stopped it. I was going to go video, but I can't do it right now. Hopefully the host will turn it on and we can do some video with me speaking. But in terms of the internet, before the internet, there was no internet. I mean, before the internet, there was. So websites. Websites are great communication tools. And before the internet, you didn't have a website. There were no smartphones. So smartphones enable you to communicate differently. There weren't YouTube. And things like Telegram. Telegram's really, really important because you have these communication tools that don't allow you to communicate prior, and now you can communicate in ways that you couldn't before. So next slide. Tools. We're looking at doing the same thing with a decentralized marketing company. We're creating a global marketing organization with Filecoin mining that's actually going to be announced in terms of the presentation here. And we're going to show you exactly how it works and how you can make money in a revolutionary new way. And then I think they jumped a little bit ahead, but a couple of weeks ago, we had a secret launch dinner. We had there we go. Thank you. Well, stay wherever you want. 2 weeks ago, we had a secret launch. We had a pre-launch dinner. A small group of leaders got together, super excited, laid the plan out, made some really cool refinements to be able to make it even better. And then next slide. We've had about 69,000 pre-registration in just a couple of weeks. Really exciting for the number of people who signed up, looked at the opportunity. The goal for October is 1 million in the pre-registration. And we're well on pace to do that because we've created something really unique. So again, let's take a look. What is FOMO? Traditionally, FOMO means the fear of missing out. And that fear of missing out is what moves people to action, gets them to be excited, thinking they're going to miss out on something big and something that's never been done before. And that's really what we've created, is an opportunity to do something that's never been done. Let's go next slide. Yeah, so a little bit on me. I've created several companies. I've had the OTC company, so never a big full public IPO, but that's actually exciting. In the United States, liquidity comes quicker in the over-the-counter market. These are smaller cap, what are called micro caps. These are companies that can move fast very quickly, big appreciation, quicker to market. And it's true, I've seen a couple people writing some things online. I don't have a deep background in affiliate and referral marketing, but that's okay. The expertise of the group and you in the room and you that are joining right, we're back in. I think we're having a little challenges here and there. So if you can hear me and we're running the slides, go back one slide and then we'll come back to this one. Yeah, so again, on my background, I've actually started companies over the counter technology. I did move into blockchain pretty heavily, excited about the opportunity. And what we've created is going to be a combination of three things around mining, referral base, and a really cool, unique opportunity for everybody to participate in a potential IPO. Let's go next slide. So what we did differently is we said, hey, let's look at FOMO not as the fear of missing out. Let's look at it as fantastic opportunities made outstanding. And again, what I mean by fantastic opportunities, we've taken three different sections, three different opportunities. Filecoin mining, which we're going to explain. The referral-based marketing, which you already understand. We've got an amazing comp plan. And then the opportunity to participate in an IPO. Let's go next slide. And again, this is what I was talking about. We're going to merge three business sectors and create something in an entirely different way than's ever been done before. I like doing things that nobody in the world's ever done, like trying to think outside of the box and do big things. And the group that's put this together, we've done some amazing things in terms of structure, and we're super excited to share it with you. Let's go next slide. So the FOMO plan, there's going to be a bunch of different opportunities. One is passive residual money, passive residual income. This isn't, I don't want to call it typical or traditional. A traditional affiliate or referral-based marketing plan is just constantly recruiting people to make money off all the people you recruit, or it's buying a product that you may never use or can't sell to all your friends. We've got a completely different, really unique structure for passive residual income, opportunity to build your business. The pay plan that's been put together on the residual side and the affiliate referral side is amazing. And we're going to structure something for you to participate in the IPO in a really, really unique way where as you earn money and income within FOMO, you'll earn shares that can be converted. We'll talk about that a little bit later. But this has the opportunity to be one of the largest marketing organizations in the world in terms of number of participants. And if we're successful, and we will be in the IPO, this will be one of the largest potential shareholder bases of a company that's gone public. We believe probably, again, in the history of the world, one of the biggest. Not to overhype it, not to oversell it, not to make big promises, but really super excited with the opportunity of what we have. Let's go next slide. So FOMOEx mining, again, I talked about Bitcoin mining, and not everybody understands mining for Bitcoin. We're going to show you something totally different with what's called Filecoin mining. Again, some of the structure and operations are the same, but we have on the team, next slide, David Hung, one of the top Filecoin miners in the world. He's actually going to go through and explain Filecoin mining, how it works, how it makes money, and how you can earn a passive residual income by getting involved in FOMOEx. Let's go next slide. Here's a little bit on David. I think I'm going to turn it over to the moderator, and let's see if we can bring David and the translator in. He's going to do an amazing job going through Filecoin mining, how it works, some history on the technology, and how you can make money. Thank you.
Hi, now I would like to introduce David Hong, the CEO of this project. Mr. Hong is the owner of some of the largest Filecoin farms in Singapore. He runs Filecoin mining farms in China, Singapore, and USA.
可以听到吗？
可以听到了。
听得到吗？
听到了。
好，谢谢。
嗯
首先很开心今天在这里跟大家来介绍关于 Filecoin 的一些未来的前景。要翻译了。
Now I'm happy to introduce about the future about our Filecoins marketing.
实际上在2012年一个特殊的机会，我进入了比特币的矿业，然后在2017年，开始在中国去推广 IPFS 加 Filecoin，所以我基本上算在中国算是最早的一批IPFS 和 Filecoin 的推广者、布道者。
Well, in 2012, I start the Bitcoins in China, and since 2017 in China, I start introducing Filecoins and IPFS in Chinese market. So I'm quite pretty early in Chinese market by this field.
就像我们看到的这个表格，那随着5G、6G 的发展，全世界对于数据存储的需求也越来越大。实际上从2019年 2019年到2020年，就已经增长了12个 ZB。那么加起来的话，大概相当于1.2万亿美金的市场，所以数据存储是一个万亿美金的市场。
Well, as we can see in this picture, the storage demanding in China or even all over the world is getting more and more incredible. And we can see now, start from 2019 to 2020, the increasing will up almost up to 12 ZB. And this is a huge market we can see absolutely.
OK， 下一页。下一页。那实际上，在过去我们所知道，人类使用的互联网只有一个底层协议，叫做 HTTP 协议。那这实际上是一个中心化的互联网协议。
Well, in the past, we all know the internet all over the world, we know is HTTP, but HTTP all based in the same point, same core.
下一页。
对，这一页，
每次你翻译完就让它自动的去翻下一页就好了。那但是HTTP 实际上很多人不知道它在安全性、速度、保存期以及成本都存在着一些缺陷。
Well, about the HTTP, many people they don't know the HTTP actually is not that much safe, and the speed is not enough, and for the storage is not as huge as we need, and of course the costing we need is more in the future, and HTTP definitely is not enough for now. 这页能看见了吗？
可以了，那就像在美国的巴尔的摩也曾经受到黑客的攻击，导致1万台政府的电脑无法使用。那同时在中国，包括阿里云的当机，也导致了很多建筑在阿里云上的 APP 然后集体崩溃。
Well, in 2019, in American market, many companies being attacked by hackers, and even all the system is ruined and collapsed. So also in China, in the same year, 2019, the famous company like Alipay, Alibaba, and the other companies also being attacked by the hackers, and it took like more than 10 minutes to recover the system.
下一页，
对，已经下一页了。
我这里没有，
点对点中
我这里还
心化这个。
是这一页，为什么？
稍等一下。
为什么我这里没有翻页 ？OK，在这里跟大家解释一下关于 HTTP 和 IPFS 的区别。实际上针对 HTTP 协议来讲，它是有一个根服务器的。那么这个根服务器在美国和日本，也就是说，全球所有的数据都要到这个根服务器转一圈，然后才发送到全球的终端。所以一旦这个根服务器遭到攻击以后，会导致整个网络的瘫痪。而 IPFS 不一样的原理就是它没有根服务器，它是把全球所有人的服务器，包括这个服务器都当做一个分散式的一个节点，所以它并不会因为某一个节点遭到攻击而导致整个网络的瘫痪。这就是 HTTP 和 IPFS 的本质区别。
Well, now I'm gonna tell something different between HTTP and IPSFS. HTTP is like internet all based on the same coin and the same point. Once this base being attacked, and which means all the system will be collapsed and ruined. Even the base is in US, everything will transit to US, then go to everywhere. It takes a little bit time. But let's see IPFS. IPFS is just like a internet. It's like a net all over the world. It doesn't base on any single point. Once one point being attacked by hacker, still other points will keep going on. Nothing will be changed, and it's more safe for sure.
那就像大家看的这张图片，实际上 IPFS 它是有一个中心点的，所以当一个中心点受到攻击以后，进而会影响其他所有与之连接的节点。而最右边这张图就是 IPFS 的网络，它并不会因为某一个节点遭到攻击而影响其他节点之间的联系。所以在这个方面来讲，IPFS 它的这个安全性会更好。
Yes. As we show in this picture, on the left of this picture, it is the traditional HTTP. We can see there is a central point in the middle. Like once the central point be attacked by the hacker, all the other points separated will be shut down. And as the right-hand side of the net, this is the IPSF we are talking about now. See, in this net, any one of these points being attacked by any hacker or any other system, it will be fine, other points. So you will see all the speed will keep going and all the storage will be there. Nothing will be changed.
所以 IPFS 在速度、安全性、成本和保存期都更具优势。
Well, see, then we can say that about the safety, speed, storage, and costing, 4 of this, it is better and nicer in the future by our market now.
那实际上从2015年至今，已经有超过300亿份的文件保存在 IPFS 的这个系统当中，从未出现过文件的泄露。
Well, since 2015 till now, there's more than 30,000 million documents are in IPSFS in this system and document. So far, nothing been stolen and nothing been changed, nothing been attacked.
下一页。
已经下一页了。
同时，这个Filecoin 我们把它理解为 IPFS 的激励层，它也是一个分布式存储的底层技术，也是一个公链。 那在过去啊，这个我们每个人的数据是属于中心化的这些公司，并且他们在用我们的数据赚钱，也不会分给我们任何人钱。而在这个分布式 IPFS 的这个网络 Filecoin 这个网络当中呢，每个人的数据属于自己，我们可以来贡献自己的节点以及储存空间，来获取相应的收益。
Well, we say Filecoin, we call short for file. This is actually encourage people to contribute more and more storage to do this blockchain, and we make it a reward. So we can see the traditional HTTP. This is the only company and only system make profits for all the companies. But now if we're using IPSFS, which means everyone can make profits by themselves and everyone can keep it. Nobody will share.
下一页。
下一页了。
那关于Filecoin 挖矿主要有3种方式，一种叫节点奖励，一种叫存储奖励，一种叫做检索奖励。
Well, about the mining, Filecoin mining rewards, we can make it at 3 parts. One part is not reward. The second part is storage reward, and the third part is search reward.
好，下一页。那挖矿的效率主要取决于硬盘的空间、带宽，包括你的这个机房的地点，还有技术运维等各个方面。
Well, the efficiency of Filecoin mining we can make as 3 keywords. The first one is online storage, and the second one we included as a timing, amount, and the location. And the third one is the skill maintenance.
好，我接下来正式跟大家介绍一下关于 Filecoin 这条公链啊。那Filecoin 呢，总共的发行量是20亿枚。那么在2017年成为全球的最大的 ICO 项目，在1个小时之内就募集了2.57亿美金。那然后这个基金会是5%，团队15%，ICO 10%，那挖矿是预留了70%。
Well, as we can see in this page, I'm going to tell something about the Filecoin mining distribution. In 2017, the biggest ICO project, we can get about $20 billion in 1 hour. And we can see the mining up to 70%. And ICO, we can get 10%, and auto group get 15%, and the basic foundation will get 5%.
那基于 IPFS 的 Filecoin 是拥有着强大的背书。首先是创始人胡安贝内特 John Bennett， 还有文克莱沃斯兄弟，那么还有美国的红杉资本，还有斯坦福大学美国的 YC 孵化器Founders Club， 还有联合广场风投以及美国股权众筹平台等等。
Well, this page we're showing the background of our Filecoin. We can see even the Juan Bennett, he's graduate from Stanford. And we can see the brother Rank Wallet and also the Sequel Capital and also other companies from US.
那关于数字货币矿业呢，目前我们把它分为3个阶段，或者是3个不同的版本。那 1.0 是比特币挖矿， 2.0 是以太坊， 3.0 是 Filecoin。 那比特币之所以是 1.0， 是因为它只能够作为一个价值存储的媒介，而以太坊它除了可以作为价值存储的媒介以外，它还可以在上面建立多种的智能合约。而 Filecoin 它既可以价值存储，也可以有智能合约。更重要的是，它依托了下一代的互联网以及下一代的分布式存储，所以 Filecoin 相对于比特币和以太坊来讲更具前景。
Well, let's see so far the stages for the blockchains. The first stage we can see is the Bitcoin. Now everyone knows it. It's famous all over the world. The Bitcoin we can use as a money, like a currency, all over the world. And the second stage is ETC. Is of course we can use it as the currency in the world, and also we can make it as a contract method. The third stage is now we are talking about is the Filecoins. We can use as a currency in the future for sure. We can use it as a contract method for sure, and also it will be used in the internet, international, for storage, safe.
下一页。
已经下一页了。
那么这里我们看到，过去的这些矿业都曾经带来了不菲的回报。那比特币上涨了2500万倍，以太坊也上涨了5000倍，莱特币上涨了7500倍，瑞波币上涨了2400万倍等等。那根据 IBM 公司预测，2022年全球的存储市场将会达到40万亿人民币。那 Filecoin 即使只占1/10的话，也有4万亿。那2022年 Filecoin 将会产出4亿枚，所以每一枚的平均价格将会达到1万人民币一枚，大概1500美金一枚。
Well, as we can see, like many coins now exist in the world, like Bitcoin, ETC, and Ripple. They are increasing in the very incredible speeds, like even million times. So we believe Filecoin will get a huge and better market in the future.
在2009年的时候呢，一台服务器每天可以挖出357枚比特币。那今天的比特币价格大概是63000美金一枚，大家可以自行的去计算一下一天的收益是多少。那2011年一台服务器每天大概可以挖出1枚比特币。2016年的时候，一台服务器200天才能挖出1枚比特币。2018年的时候，20台服务器200天才只能挖出1枚的比特币。所以归纳总结就是，任何的数字货币矿业越早参与越好。
Well, let's see this picture. In 2009, one mining machine can get 357 Bitcoin each day. And 2011, one mining machine can get only 1 Bitcoin each day. Then we go to 2016. One mining machine can get 1 Bitcoin in 200 days. And up to 2018, 20 mining machine can get only 1 Bitcoin in 200 days. So which means in these mining fields, the earlier the better we take part in this.
那众所周知，中国的比特币矿机占全球70%以上的份额。那中国的 Filecoin 矿机占全球90%以上的份额。所以说中国的数字货币这个矿业，无论是从技术上还是成本上，在全球都拥有绝对的优势。
Well, let's see the Chinese market. In China, the Bitcoin mining farms take 70% of the world. And in China, the Filecoin mining farms take 90%. And now we can believe that the Chinese blockchain is getting bigger and nicer in the future, and the more and more Chinese people now start already, and we happy to lead more people get in this part and make more profit.
我们实际上在无论是布局以及这个独创的推广模式专业的管理团队，还有这个顶级的技术运维，都拥有着无与伦比的优势。
Now, from our company, we based on the credit and the mining farms and the introducing advertising, and we have the professional team. Also, we have the top skill maintenance. So we are very confident to introduce our company and let everybody join us.
实际上，我们透过4年时间的运作，在中国、美国以及新加坡都拥有着大量的机房和存储的矿机。那这是我们由于中国政府的一些政策，我们已经把大量的矿机搬迁到了新加坡。这是我们位于新加坡乌兰的数据中心。
And now there's some pictures we're showing you that in these 4 years, we have many machine and mining machines in China, in the US, also in Singapore. And now we concentrate all our machines in Singapore. This is the factories we are having now.
好，直接下一页。这是我们存储设备的一些配置。当然，我们也会随着这个硬件配置不断的升级，而不断的升级我们的这个挖矿设备。
This is we're showing you now is the equipment we are using now and also the system. Of course, we will update and upgrade our old equipment and system frequently, and we will show all the status to all our customers for sure.
好，最后我们来总结一下，实际上人生的定位很重要。那么在整个区块链这个世界里面，我们大概可以定义为5个圈层。第一个圈层是矿圈，矿圈是位于食物链的最顶端，因为所有人交易的币实际上都来自于矿圈而且这也是一个人人可以参与的一个圈层那么第2个圈叫做锁圈，也就是交易所的这个圈层。那这个圈层大家都知道需要很大量的资金的投入才能够去参与，所以并不是每个人都可以进入这个圈层的。而且交易所所交易的币也是由矿圈挖出来的。那第3个圈层叫做链圈，所谓链圈就是区块链的圈层。那么这个圈层主要是开发一些公链和一些新的技术，那这也需要很强的技术基础，也并不是人人都可以参与的。那币圈呢，就是炒币我们讲这个币圈一天人间10年手币比手稿还难。那实际上很多人在币圈来讲，最重要的一点就是大家无论在哪里买币，你的成本永远大于你挖矿的成本，也就是说你挖矿的成本永远大于你在永远小于你在二级市场购买的成本。那最后是一个是盘圈，那盘圈的话基本上因为它没有一些真实的造血功能，所以很难持续的经营下去。
Now in this blockchain, we can make separate in 5 levels. The top level we say is the mining level. Mining level, actually, this is what we are doing now. Well, it sounds hard, but actually every single person can join it. We keep mining and we keep making money, for sure, yeah. And the second one, we call it trading. The trading level, of course, people can join it, but it needs a lot of money and a lot of skills. So even people want to join it, it will take a lot of demands. So people wouldn't like to choose by this one. And the third level we say is like chain level. By this level, by this level, it needs a lot of skills and the maintenance. So by the individual, people doesn't like to join this part because they don't have such high maintenance and skills. And the fourth level, we call it the coin level, the coin. Bitcoin, ETC, or other coins, this part is very easy for every single one. And it's easy to know and easy to understand, also easy to make money. That's why even young generations now join it.
实际上，比特币的挖矿已经改变了很多人的命运。那如果你已经错过了比特币的挖矿，希望你不要再错过 Filecoin 的挖矿。欢迎大家加入 Filecoin 的这个挖矿的行列当中。也希望 Filecoin 能够给每一位带来更加美好的生活。谢谢大家。Thank you.
All right. In the past 10 years, we all see that Bitcoin changed a lot of things, even changed people's life. So we believe that Filecoin got a very incredible and beautiful future for sure. And now, since you joined earlier, you will make money easier and earlier. Yeah, please join us. Thank you.
All right, everybody. I mean, that's great stuff from David. And again, the simple explanation that I like to give around Bitcoin mining and Filecoin mining, I like making jokes that are specifically relevant. I don't fully understand how mining is done at a gold mine. I know that there's a bunch of equipment and you've got to dig the mine and you find gold in the mountain. But then I also know the more you dig that gold out, the more expensive it gets, the longer it takes. And sometimes another mineral might be more profitable than gold. That's what we're doing here. Bitcoin's great, massive universe, massive market, but getting more and more expensive, more and more difficult. Filecoin mining is a tremendous opportunity. It's more efficient, the market's growing, the potential returns are there, and the upside's there. So Filecoin mining is what we've chosen to get everybody involved in, and we're super excited to be able to do that. Let's go next slide. Other way, there we go. There we go. What also makes Filecoin mining cool, again, most traditional, I don't like the word traditional, the affiliate marketing referral programs, you're either just recruiting people or you're buying product that you may never use or may not be able to sell. With the Filecoin mining, when we show you the compensation, it's a little further down in the slides, but half of the money in the packages goes into the referral side. The other half goes into mining. Half of the package goes into buying machines that you will own a percentage of, and that will produce a return. This is not buying and selling product. This is investing in equipment that's going to produce a return. And as part of the dashboard, you'll be able to actually see the Filecoin mining, the containers, the outputs as well. Let's go next slide. As well as the actual output per machine. So you will have contracts where you will be able to see what your money is doing, what it's going to, what it's acquired, how it's producing income. There's transparency in this side of the equation because we've given you a dashboard to really be able to track everything that's going to be returned to you. Let's go next slide. I don't know if we've lost the host or what we've done there. Next slide, please. There we go. Referral compensation. So again, on the affiliate marketing and the referral side, 50% of the total comp is on payout, 35% residual payout on the mining side. Again, portion of the funds in your packages goes into the comp side on the affiliate, and a portion goes into the mining side to actually buy and acquire the mining machines that will produce a residual income. Linear plan, 5 earning methods, multiple ways to earn money, unlimited earning for leadership, business model, really cool comp plan within the affiliate structure, and the pre-launch phase is what we are in now. So unique opportunity, great timing. Next slide. The FOMO linear plan, we call this the FOMO plan, the fear of missing out, the fantastic opportunity made outstanding. Again, more and more documents are coming online to explain to you what the FOMO linear line is. But basically, as you build your organization, the line is created where people go on the left of you and the right of you, and that's going to continue to grow. And we've got a weekly payout plan and a comp plan and unlimited earnings. So great opportunity at the FOMO linear plan. Again, next slide. It's okay. 3 ways to make money. Comp plan on the affiliate. Again, a lot of the information is either online or coming online. We're still in the pre-launch and the building side. So more of that information is coming. Half of the funds that go in goes on the comp plan. A portion goes into the mining. And then the IPO, I'm going to finish with in a minute, but this will be the 3rd component and a really unique opportunity to make money in an IPO that you participate in by helping build and grow the company in these stages of where we are right now. Next slide. FOMOEx. So let's talk about the IPO for a minute. Let's go next slide. Again, traditional IPO, I was offered an IPO opportunity a couple of months ago. And go next slide. The IPO opportunity for me was basically a company that was, I think, $15 or $16 billion existing valuation, was a $250,000 minimum buy-in. It was at $22 a share, and the company might go public in 18 months and double the money. So at that level, the people that are making the biggest amount of money, the income, the contribution, are the people who got in early. The angels, the early stage, the early capital. Most of us aren't given those opportunities. And by the time it's at the IPO level, it's already expensive. It's already big. You've kind of missed it. We're doing something really unique. Let's go next slide. So to be clear, we're not selling shares. We're not selling a security. You're not buying anything in the IPO. We've structured this in a really cool and unique way. Out of the Filecoin mining income, a percent of your income will earn NFTs that we will convert into shares of the company when it goes public. So follow me for a minute. We've got a comp plan. You buy a package, half goes into the referral side, which is what we want, the affiliate program, building the sales organization, building the structure. Part of the money goes into buying machines that will produce a residual income for you. By buying and owning those machines within a company, that company has an asset. The machines are the asset. The Filecoin mining is the income. That company we will end up taking public, and all of you who are participating will be able to accumulate and earn shares in the IPO. We're not selling them to you. You're not buying them. It's a unique structure to earn NFTs out of the revenue that your Filecoin mining is already creating and returning to you. So really, really cool opportunity. This is where we believe we could have 2, 3, 4, 5 million potential holders, potential participants, people within the affiliate side who've earned NFTs that we will convert into shares at a point in the future. All right, let's go next slide. So there we have it, the mining, the referral marketing, and the potential IPO. Referral marketing, build your business, help us recruit the decentralized organization, bring on additional team members, and earn residual income on the mining. That residual income earns you NFTs for the future potential IPO. Again, really cool opportunity, all three structured together. Not the prettiest slide here. Again, you guys are in early. We're still working on some graphics, but this is designed to show sort of the breakdown on the compensation. You can go ahead, back forward. There we go. 50% into the referral comp payout. A portion goes back into mining, where we're buying the machines, producing the income and revenue back to you, and then a portion of your income is going to earn the NFTs. Let's go. Next slide. Next slide. Registration's open from October 15th. We've been expanding. I think, go next slide. I believe we're up to 60 or 65,000 registrants. That might be a slide coming up in here. Free position in the network. Tons of people joining. The linear plan's in place. Let's go next slide. There we go. So the goal for the FOMO line, the linear plan, have at least one package in your position and 3 directs with $100. The goal right now is build the organization, get signed up, get the registration, start building your structure, recruiting your team, and getting your packages in place for not only the comp plan, but the mining side as well for the accumulation of the equipment and the residual payout. Let's go to the next slide. Second week, you'll need to upgrade. Again, a little light on the details here in this initial presentation. This is the early sign up. We've got more and more details, full comp plan, amazing structure. All of that's going to be available to you as we continue to roll out. A lot of the information's coming online. The bottom line right now is let's get in early, get registered, and start building your organization. Let's go to the next slide. FOMO Friday. We actually came up with this in a planning session. It's great stuff. So weekly payout, a payout off of your line, off of your residual, the weekly payout, we call it a FOMO Friday. If you can get a check every week on a Friday, get to go out and enjoy your weekend off of your residual income in your business. Company goal for November. Let's go to the next slide. 2,000 and above bronze qualifiers in a pool qualifier. Again, the details and information are coming online to find out what that takes to qualify. We believe a year from now, we're going to actually have a big event with all of the bronze qualifiers. You'll be able to see what the next year, the roadmap, FOMOEx. We've created $1 billion plan. We believe we can have $1 billion of revenue and income coming in to build the organization, not only on the referral affiliate side for payouts, but on the mining equipment accumulation and the mining equipment and the residual payout on the equipment side. Again, really unique opportunity. And then that equipment is what is the asset within the company for the IPO. Next slide. And yeah, that's a pretty picture of Dubai. Next slide. Couple last ones. We're almost done. The comp plan's done. A lot of that information, again, coming online, can be shared with you. All the different levels, the residuals, the payouts on both the affiliate side as well as the residual side with the Filecoin mining. Next slide. Working towards some daily Zooms for training on the team. This is our first corporate Zoom. Again, this is coming in early. We plan on doing more of them. And then in closing here, if this works, I'm going to try and go video, close this out. FOMO, right? Fear of missing out. We're not just talking about fear of missing out. Let's go to the last slide. I think if the last slide's there, it should be, oh, it was almost there. That's right. Usually the last slide is fantastic opportunities made outstanding. So again, Stephen Meade, what we've done here is we've created a really unique structure. Again, not everybody's always excited about MLM and referrals programs for different reasons. We've combined the best of a referral structure, an affiliate program, amazing payout, building the team, the FOMO line, Friday payouts, FOMO Friday, along with a structure of accumulating and acquiring mining assets that produces a residual income. This isn't just making money off your friends, it's a residual income of Filecoin mining, which is one of the most profitable mining opportunities in the crypto and digital world. And the third one is the ability to accumulate potential shares in a company we believe will take public, and the community as a whole, all of you that are involved in participating, will be in early on what we believe will be one of the largest IPOs in the history of the world. So thanks for tuning in. I'm going to try and transfer this back to the host, see if we can close you guys out properly, but sign up. Registrations are open. People are getting in. We're trying to hit the goal of 1 million people. We're on pace, on target. Great opportunity, great timing. You guys get involved now. I'm going to switch it back to the host.
Hi, thank you everyone, and thank you again to being here. And now we almost the ending now. Thank you.
Recording stopped.